Since childhood, I have been fantasizing about waterfalls. Every time I stand in front of any waterfall, I experience an eternal feeling which takes me more closer to nature. This time, with utmost excitement, we packed our travel bags to experience another beautiful waterfall, the Jog Falls. We started our journey around 10 p.m. from Majestic bus stop. The journey has just begun. Jog Falls is nearly 450 kilometers away from Bangalore. The bus will take us to Shimoga next morning, and from there, Jog Falls is about 100 kilometers.
Hey guys, good morning. This is exactly 7:30 in the morning, and we just got down at Shimoga bus stop. This is the Shimoga bus terminal, and we'll be finding a hotel close by, and we'll be freshen up, and then we'll be heading towards Jog Falls. That's gonna be around 90 to 100 kilometers from here. So we'll have to find a cab, and then while coming back we'll not be coming to Shimoga again. We'll be directly moving to Chikmagalur, and we'll be spending our night over there, and tomorrow we are gonna visit Chikmagalur. So that's the plan as of now.
We are at Shimoga and it's about 7:15 in the morning and we are having our breakfast. Puri they have served with rasam and coconut chutney. We started our journey from Shimoga to Jog Falls. Jog Falls is a waterfall on the Sharavati river, located in the Western Ghats running between Uttara Karnataka and Shimoga district of Karnataka. The journey from Shimoga to Jog Falls is absolutely mesmerizing. Both the sides of the road is surrounded by lush green dense forest.
Finally, we have reached Jog Falls after a long journey from Shimoga. So it took almost 3.5 hours to reach here. It's very beautiful. It's raining heavily, but still I'm enjoying the beautiful weather. Here is the ticket counter. This is the rate. Ticket is 10 rupees each. 10 rupees each. For both of us, they took 20 rupees. And from here, I think I'll have to walk a little further, approximately 5 to 10 minutes, maybe not even 10 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Let's see. We have just reached the entry point of Jog Falls. The road is a little muddy, but still manageable. Let's see what is waiting for me.
It is the third highest plunge waterfall in India, which is about 830 feet. Ideally, you will get to see 4 number of drops in the waterfall. They are named as Raja, Rani, Roarer and Rocket. Nature seems to be at its best when no one is bothering her. She is flowing on her own, just like the water falling from the mountain sources to the wind blowing amidst the clouds. We were awestruck to see the jaw dropping scene in front of our eyes. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, do share with your friends and family.